Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasanah, and in this video I wanna answer question for to submit the 7 assignment for professional reading major. Passage 1, question 1 till 9. The question number 1, which of the following best states in the topic of the passage? The answer is B. A description of Bigfoot. That the answer, because from the first until the last passage, description about a Bigfoot. The question number 2, the word not in the line 2 is closed in the meaning to which of the following? The answer is A. Report. That the answer, because kata yang mendekati adalah A, karena pada line tersebut menjelaskan bahwa Bigfoot sering terlihat di daerah pegunungan. Not most often berarti bisa diartikan sebagai report. The question number 3 implied in the passage that Bigfoot would probably not like to live. The answer is C. On coastal plains. That the answer, karena paragraf 1 tidak menyebutkan bahwa Bigfoot suka hidup di daerah pesisir, sedangkan A, B, dan D adalah daerah tempat tinggal Bigfoot. The question number 4, which of the following is not true about the appearance of Bigfoot? The answer is D. It walks like an ape. That the answer, because di paragraf kedua pada line terakhir disebutkan bahwa cara berjalan Bigfoot mirip Homo sapiens atau berjalan tegak seperti manusia. Jadi D tidak sesuai dengan penampilan dari Bigfoot. The question number 5, click on the drawing that show how Bigfoot compares in height to an average man. The answer is C, karena pada paragraf 2 di line 1, bla 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 is tall by human standards, berarti Bigfoot tingginya setara dengan manusia. The question number 6, look at the word that in paragraph 2, click on the word or phrase that refers to. The answer, kata that bisa merujuk kepada kata Homo sapiens. The question number 7, the exclusive in meaning to. The answer is C, humans. The question number 8, according to the passage, how do expect feel about the evidence concerning Bigfoot existence? The answer is B. They are not yet certain. Karena pada paragraf 3 di line most experts have not bla 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 sudah dijelaskan bahwa kebanyakan ahli belum melihat cukup bukti untuk meyakinkan keberadaan mereka. The question 9, click on the paragraph that explains how knowledgeable people feel about the existence of Bigfoot. Pada paragraf 1 menjelaskan yang melihat Bigfoot dan keberadaannya. The question number 10, the paragraph preceding the passage must probably discuss. The answer is C, a different hormone, because the paragraph 1 line 1. The question number 11, what is another name of epinephrine? The answer is D, adrenaline. The question number 12, click on the drawing that show where epinephrine is produced in the human body. The best answer is A. The question number 14, which of the following is not mentioned as a result of the release of epinephrine in the blood? The answer is A. Severe asthma, because in paragraph 1, line 5 tell epinephrine is released into the blood and the body responds with the increased heartbeat, blood higher and pressure and conversion of glycogen into glucose for energy to enable the body to stress. The question number 15. It is implied in the passage the increased heartbeat. The answer is C. Is helpful in combating the stressful situation. The question number 16. The passage indicates that epinephrine is used in the treatment of all of the following except. The answer is C. Serious allergic reaction. The question number 17. Look at the word bronchi in the paragraph 2. Bronchi are, the answer is large muscles. The question number 18. Which of the following best express the organization of the information in the passage? The answer is A. Epinephrine and adrenaline, because in the passage talking about the epinephrine and adrenaline. The question number 19. The passage states that all the following occurred prior to 1933 except that. The answer is D, because in the passage mentioned about the panic in Michigan quickly spread to the other states, and on March 6, President Franklin D. The answer number 20. Look at the word filed in the paragraph 1. This word could best be replaced by which expression? The answer is gone out of number of bank had filed, and fear of loss saving had prompted many depositor to remove their funds from banks. The question number 21. The word moratorium in the line 4 is closest in meaning to which of the following? Does the moratorium in the passage the meaning for temporary cessation? The question number 22. The passage indicates that the moratorium declared by Roosevelt affect. The answer is D. All the banks in the U.S. because President Franklin D. Roosevelt declared a bank moratorium throughout the United States that left the entire country without banking service. The question number 23. Look at the word in the paragraph 2. Click on the word or phrase that it refers to. The answer is the country financial refers. We are again open for business. The question number 24. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? The answer is D. 90% of the bank reopened by the middle of March, because by March 15, bank controlling 90% of the country's financial affairs were again open for business. And the last question number 25. Which of the following best describe the organization of the passage? The answer is B. A problem and a solution, because that's a big problem for their country, but there has a solution for it. I think this all my video for to answer the question. The 7 assignment professional reading major. I'm sorry if I have any mistake, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.